Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel and my name is Ayça. Today I will be doing 4 different styles of canapés. So before we get on with our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's see what we will be doing today. So for today, I will be doing, as I said, 4 styles of canapés. The first one will be cheese canapé. Second one will be olive canapé. Third one will be mayonnaise canapé. And the fourth one will be mustard canapé. So let's start and see how we will do them. So guys, as you can see that I am not giving any numbers of my ingredients because maybe you would want to do it more or you would want to do it less. So it's up to you that how much you would like to use anything. So guys, as you can see, we have our first type of canapé, which is cheese canapé. So we will start off our work with a cookie cutter. It can be like this, it can be square, or it can be as any type of cutter that you like. Here we go. Just going to press it on the bread until comes off like this. So this is what I want. Okay, so we are gonna do the same thing with the other side. Don't just worry about these bread because I will be using them later on. They are not going in the trash, of course, so I will be using them. Now what I will be doing, I just get my cheese. This is white cheese I will be using, and I will just make 3 shapes out of this cheese. As you can see, looking very cute. I will get from my butter and I will just put on my bread. Right now I can put this 1 piece of cheese that I have made just like this. So guys, as you can see that my first set of canapés are ready. Okay, so guys, this is our second set of canapés. So now what you're gonna do, again, you will be cutting your bread. So this is olive paste that I'm using here. I personally love olives, so I go with olive paste. Also in here I have fresh basil. So I will just putting them like this, as you can see. So guys, as you can all see, my second set of canapés are also ready. So let's continue with the third canapés. This is the third set of our canapés, and these canapés will be mayonnaise canapés. Again, as we did with the others. So now what you're gonna do is just get mayonnaise on them. So now here I have my salami that I will be putting on the bread. So make sure it cuts, then we won't have difficulty taking it out. As you can see. Okay, just put it on it. Looks so cute. So now here's actually your choice. I am also going to be putting some little pieces of pickles on them. So if you like pickle, it definitely makes a very nice combination with mayonnaise. So I would recommend you try it. So guys, in here I have my third set of canapés. So let's continue with the last one. So guys, this is our last set of canapés. As you can see, we have different ingredient as mustard. If you also like mustard, you can use. So, as we always do, and yeah. So in here I have made again 3. And first we are putting mustard on it. I will be using this time circle for the salamis. Okay, now I am forming 3 circles right here. Okay, so now what I will be doing is I just take my canapés again and I'm going to be putting them on the mustard that I just put. Looks kind of like a fancy food. And I'm putting the pickles on them right now. So guys, as you can see, my last set of canapés are also ready. So now I can put them in their plates. Now I can put these as well. A little bit place here. So guys, as you can see, it made a real nice shape. So now it's time to put our sticks. So now guys, as you can see, these are the sticks that I will be using. As I made 3 of each type of canapé that I have made, I will be using 1 color. So as for my cheese canapés, I will be using white one, like this. And it also makes the ingredients stick to the bread, so it's a nice type of thing. So I will be using blue for mustard. Yay! So guys, as you can see, they are all ready like this and they're ready to eat. Tell me in the comments below if you try these or what did you think of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, so make sure you turn on the post notifications to not miss out on any video that I'm doing. See you in another recipe of mine. Bye!